join me in welcoming Mr. Anoop Singhal. Mr. Singhal oversees the operation of CRP Robot Technology Co Limited in India. With over 21 years of extensive industrial experience as a professional electrical and electronic engineer, he has honed his skill in sales, marketing, distribution management, and customer relationship management. Under his leadership, CRP Robots has initiated direct operations in India, aiming to address the acute shortage of skilled manpower with cost-effective and innovative robotic solutions. He believes this initiative will create a win-win scenario for both CRP Robot and Indian customers, given the user-friendly and affordable nature of CRP products. Mr. Singhal will delve into the details of innovation in robotic welding technologies.
CRP, we have just started our operations in India in last quarter, and we have a complete range, including welding, handling, pelletizing, pick and place, painting, SCARA robots, and collaborative robots, which is called as Cobot. And we have a big series of around 46 industrial robot models, starting from 3 kg payload to big robots like 210 kg payload and 600 mm reach to 3.5 meter reach big robots. So as we go for the welding robots, we have basically 3 models: 1.4 meter, 1.8 meter, and 2 meter reach, which generally covers major applications in welding. And with these 6 axis robots, we can give additional axis for having the ancillaries requirements. And we have the universal adapters where we can connect with any robotic power sources, any make, like any universal, maybe I should say European or American brands, and including cost-effective solutions from overseas market. Then we have a wide range of controllers and peripheral equipments like tracks, positioners, circular positioners, 2-axis, 3-axis, single-axis, gantry solutions. This is the thing that we can give the complete solution to the customer, including power source, robot, torch, ancillary equipments, and cleaning stations, everything from single window. So that is the plus point of CRP, that no need to go here and there, and we can give the complete solutions depending on the applications like carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminium, MIG welding, TIG welding, single wire, MIG welding, double wired MIG welding, then AC/DC TIG. So laser welding, laser cutting. So we can give all these solutions, and we have complete range of intelligent sensors and softwares like laser sensors, seam trackers, arc sensor, and we have our own offline simulations software where we can do all the simulations, and then once we have the practical system ready, we can transfer everything and it can be ready very fast. And as the world is moving towards IoT solutions, we have complete cloud platform system where everything can be monitored, captured, and stored for the future references. As we talk majorly for welding, we have complete basic functions like all the TCP verifications, PLC controlling, and I should say we have thin plate complete solutions, power source, starting from 0.5 mm carbon steel. We have the solution up to 40 mm, 50 mm carbon steel, and similarly for stainless steel and aluminium. So we can give the complete solutions to our customers with the full responsibility. And we have complete multi-layer functions for heavy fabrications. And we can do offline programming, as I explained, and we can transfer everything to the job once it is ready. Then, especially for thick plate section, we have arc tracking, seam arc tracking, laser seam trackers, okay, multi-layer functions. seam finding, everything we have, and laser tracking functions. So we work very closely with the customers, with the end user specialists, in collaboration with our partners and integrators, so we can give the complete solution. As far as innovation is concerned, then I think we have the complete solution in welding. Especially if you talk about welding, we have the complete solutions, not only the power source or not only the robots. So including robots, cobots, handling, welding. For cobot also, we have complete welding solutions with cobot, where we can give up to 1.3 meter reach and 10 kg payload cobot, along with all functions like multi-layer swing. All these functions can be given. And we have very professional, I should say, the teach pendants, and very user-friendly, which is very simple to learn and very professional to use. Then if we come to high-speed welding, we have high-speed robots, and CRP being a robot manufacturer, we have the complete range of our own power source also, especially for thin sheets. And you can see in the background of the robot that this is our controller, and the bottom side is our power source. So it is a complete integrated solution, and there will be ultra low spatter process we have, especially for thin sheets and especially for carbon steel. Now world is moving towards the, I should say, the galvanized sheets or special materials where they need the ultra very cold process welding. So CRP, I should say with proud that CRP is the first robotic company who is having their own cold metal power source. I think nobody in the world other than CRP have developed their own robotic cold metal power source. So we have the complete solution for this, including push-pull torch, complete robot, and the power source. You can see the teach pendant, very advanced and very simple to use. I would like to say a small video about the cobot, where it shows that welding with the cobot. This is 1.3 meter 10 kg payload robot. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your insightful presentation on innovation in robotic welding technology.